Good morning. I just woke up. I don't know if you woke up. It's so hard to feel in a public space. Chinese white, yay! Now we're heading out. Hello, hello. The weather is so good. The weather is so good. Now I'm sitting in a random place. Okay, I need the rest. Sit down for rest after 5 minutes hiking. Back now, went back to work now. So I'm alone. Find a cafe and wait for my friend.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
Hello. 我叫玉子。
And 谢谢。好了。
你们拍的太漂亮了，
谢谢。你剪的也特别好。
谢谢，拜拜。走，
关吧。
走。
It's night time. 他可以发给我吗？这样可以了。So many people. It's so packed here. Actually, I'm a little bit disappointed about myself today because I didn't take out my camera and talk to the camera and talk to you guys about the scene, about the food. It's a little bit hard for me to speak in public, even just to camera, but at least I make some progress today because I talked to you guys a few times. I'll try tomorrow, okay? Good night.